Yo, what's up guys? Mr. Edison here. Today we are going to talk about market equilibrium. So we have three simple steps to do it. First, we have to understand, we have to identify the factors, and then we have to know how to shift left or right, and then new point. So first, look at the demand factors. We have income, population, interest rate, price of substitute, price of complementary, taste and preferences, and advertisement. Successful advertisement, yeah. And then for supply, we have tax, tariff, subsidy, technology, and the cost of production. Alright, so when we see income, we can only shift the demand curve. If let's say we see technology in the passage, we can only shift the supply curve. Alright, so let's start with this one. We have P and Q. Okay, this is quantity traded, this is the price. Start with the X-Men curve. Always label D1 as 1 so that the examiner know where is your starting curve. Alright, so let's say given a scenario here, the income increases, cost of production decreases. So firstly, identify the factors. Income is what factors? Is a demand factor. Right? So COP, cost of production, is a supply factor. So once we know that income increases, what happened to your demand? Your demand will increase. And then how about this one? When your cost of production decreases, your supply will increase. So when demand increase is shift to the right, supply increase is shift to the right. Alright, so now we already finished the first two steps. Now we are going to construct a new point. We know that demand increase, shift to the right. So shift to the right, label D2. And then S also shift to the right, S2. Alright, so now this is the new point. Okay, so this will be your new equilibrium point, P and the Q. Okay, so as you can see, before that the Q was here, so it's Q1. Now the Q is here, Q2, which means that now the quantity traded has been increased. Alright, so very simple. Pause and screenshot. Try to do it by yourself. Okay, sorry. So it should be population here and technology here. Screenshot and try to do it. Okay, so now we are going to talk about population. So population is a demand factor. Technology is a supply factor. So population increase, your demand will increase. Then we shift to the right. And how about supply? Supply is a supply factor. When technology increases, supply increases, and you shift to the right. So now you shift D2 and S2. Okay, so that's your simple step. That's your answer. See you guys again. Bye.